Hello everybody, welcome to Riggs Garage. This is a quick little video as I'm chewing through footage to show you guys how to install piston rings and measure ring gap on your engine. This could apply to anything. This is a 289 small block Ford for the 70 Mustang Fastback that I'm working on, so check out those other build videos, but hopefully this is useful to somebody. Thanks for watching Riggs Garage, and I appreciate everybody that's liked and subscribed to the channel so far. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe up. I appreciate it, everybody. I went through each cylinder and put the bottom and the top ring in, and I squared them up in the hole using one of the pistons about 1 inch down, and then I took my feeler gauge and measured all the gaps in each hole. Once I did that and the gaps are somewhere okay-ish, I'm leaving the rings with their hole so I can assemble them on the correct piston, so I know for sure that everything's going to be squared up correctly. Here's a look at the gaps. I think they're medium bad. So the recommended would be like 16 thousandths. With boost on a 4-inch 4.040 bore, this is 40 thousandths over. With low boost, the charts recommend about 22 thousandths on the top ring and the bottom ring. This one is going to be, here's the cylinder. Yeah, we got cylinder and we have top ring and bottom ring measurement. So cylinder 1's 25 thousandths, top ring 32 thousandths. It's probably 33 thousandths. My gauge only goes up to 32 thousandths. Cylinder 2, 28 thousandths, 24 thousandths, 26 thousandths, 26, 23 thousandths, 23 thousandths, and cylinder 8 is 26 thousandths. And the bottom ring, they're all around 31, 32 thousandths, and then a couple of them are 32 thousandths plus. But not far over, so probably 33 thousandths. I compared these to the old rings. I put the old rings in just to measure them, and it's pretty much the same. So it ran fine for the previous owner. At this point, I'm not going to spend money to bore out this block. I've had enough machine work done already. I'm going to sand it as it sits. Alright, assembling all the piston rings. This is my number 5. First I'll put the oil ring in. When it's in, the two ends are just going to simply meet like this. We don't want to overlap or anything funky like this. So I'll simply just place these in here by hand. Then we have 2 thin oil rings. I am staggering the gaps on these. So right now the gap on this first oil ring is in the middle with the pin here. And then I'll put these other small ring gaps opposite. One this way and one the other way, fore and aft on the engine. Some important notes about the top and the bottom ring. You're going to see that the box that the rings came in are usually indicating a top groove and a bottom groove, second groove. So the rings should be in the right holes, but who knows? You want to make sure, double check this. So looked some things up, but on the documentation that came with my rings, I circled the rings that I have, and the top ring is indicated by the dot facing north and a bevel at the top of the ring. So this will be the top ring. And then also the bottom ring, this has a bevel facing downward, and there's a dot on the top. So that is what my bottom ring looks like.